New York session open, and I want to look critically at the market to see what the market has done and to put it into perspective, and also show the next trade directional bias as the market is showing an upward buy thrust in the zone of 3,598, 3,600, and that will be on buy confirmation clearance. But at the moment, it seems buyers are reluctant, and we need more impetus as we await strong economic data coming in. And if we don't have a strong economic data to boost the impetus, then most likely sellers are going to retrace from there. But on a critical you look, we have an ascending trend line, ATL, and that ascending trend line has been violated. And the violation of my ascending trend line calls for a critical rethink and also gives you a clearer picture into the character of the market and what buyers want to do at the moment. So at the moment, we are leveraging on the last ADP data report, which has seen the 10-year treasury bond yield sinking and the dollar index sinking. But at the moment, there seems to be a lot of caution and a good buying at the moment. And we are marching into New York session unaware of what awaits us, what will be the next investor sentiment. But from structural perspective, looking at the structure of the market, I'm keen on 3338 as when you look deep down into the structure, which I will change the color to black. You see, we have here RS level 1, RS level 2, RS level 3, break of structure, demand floor 1, break of demand structure, price came back, broke the supply roof, technically putting here on demand. So if price returns here on 3338 on probability, I expect that buyer should pick up from here to align back on the ascending trend line. Possibly we might move here on a 4-hour time frame to reject before the close of the 4 hours candle to continue to give us an upward thrust. And from the upside, I look at a retest to this beautiful structure, which is also I have kept the structure for long, hoping to see what market does here to see how it moves with the structure of the market. We have here as RS1, here as RS1, resistance becomes support and breakout structure, and we have another RS structure, resistance becomes support and breakout structure, and we have another one, and we have breakout structure, bringing here to a demand floor, which is a RT slash SR. After the break of structure, it becomes a support structure, and we have seen what price did there. That was why I call it RTSR. It's a retest candle as well, support become resistance, and we came back there before breaking that structure, technically putting here as your net supply roof, which I also want to sell out. And I'm looking at that zone for a possible sell opportunity on probability. Remember, please treat trading as probability. Treat it as probability. And when you treat it as probability, one of the key things you will do is to try to manage your lot size, try to manage your emotion, try to manage your position, try to manage and protect your equity, knowing fully well that a trader without liquidity is a demo trader, just like a hunter. A hunter gun without a bullet is a toy gun. So you must stay armed in the field of trading. Your liquidity is your weapon and your bullets. Your liquidity is your bullet. Without a bullet, you are making a kill in the financial market. So you must protect your liquidity at all time. Protect your liquidity at all time. No trade is better than a bad trade. Yes, not taking trade at all is 100% better than taking a bad trade. There is no glory in taking a bad trade. You can become a multiple six-figure trader, indulging in bad trade, trading without fundamental data, without a technical confirmation. You don't need to do that yourself. So as we march into London's New York session, from London section, I believe that the both sessions will bring in volatility